Alright, let's check it out one more time. So right here, no, it's not a tap. Yeah, this is definitely wrong. I don't know what you've done. Let me see. No, this is completely wrong. So obviously that's the pivot point is not even there. This is wrong too. That's not even working. Uh, the arms are working kind of, but not very well. The painting needs to be redone all over here. That one works a little bit better. The painting needs to be done. The legs is all messed up. Let me get rid of the IK and redo that to show you how it's done. So it's very simple. You just go to the rigging, skinning, and skeleton. Create IK. 1, 2, and then now it works perfectly. Alright, so I don't know what you're doing that messes it up, but it works perfectly. And then after that you do a parenting, so child, parent, click on P, and that should work perfectly. So actually, no, it's not anymore. Okay, so something is wrong with your system. Yeah, something is real wrong, so hold on a second. Let me check it out. So I need to delete that. Let me delete that one right here. Okay, your skinning is not done properly right there at all. Yeah, it's already attached. You attached it like 2 or 3 times. You know what I'm saying right here? It's still attached, and you must attach it to somewhere else. That's not it's done. So let me delete that. Alright, and I'm gonna put a curve under. Alright, you do it only once, okay? Just like I'm doing right now. That's all you need to do. Right here, for example, you make your IK, skeleton, create IK, 1, 2, you test your IK, it works okay. You select the IK and/or as a child, the shape as the parent, click on P, and now you just do that. You see, it works perfectly. So you need to do that again. Alright, you need to do skinning properly because your skinning is not there either. So you have a lot of work to do. Thank you.